Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it's just a quick little video sharing what I made for my patrons for the month of July, and we'll start off first with this cute little tag. So this is actual ledger paper from the early 1902, and I backed it onto this pretty scrapbook paper, added a little French stamp on the back, and then did just a fun little collage. I love the little bow there, some stenciling, some washi tape, and of course a butterfly. And then I've made these fun little dangled jewelry charms. So we have this really pretty crystal bead right there. We also have this fun glass bead, and then a really fun vintage pearl, like a teardrop pearl bead. And these you can leave it on the tag, or you can add it onto the edge of a journal, or add it to an existing spine dangle if you wanted to add a little more charm. But I just liked adding it onto the tag just for fun. I think they're so pretty. The next thing is this snippet roll, and so each patron will get it. They're about a little more than 5 inches, and I love this little cameo. Each one's a little bit different. The cameo pin, and then I have some vintage buttons, and then I did some stamping on fabric there, and then I have an old scarf, lace scarf that I used, and these are some fabrics from Sacred Mementos, a little lace, and I just love these other, and then the clock and the flower. I think these turned out great. I think they would be beautiful as a pocket in a journal, or even as a vertical belly band or horizontal belly band. So I think those turned out quite nice. And then the other big makes, so I have these items I all made here, and then I made this fun little Paris charm. These are from Temu, and then these holders are from Amazon, and so I made those together. And then I made these little mini journals, and again, each one's a little bit different, but they're all very similar. And then I made the seam binding as well. I colored the seam binding. I have a little nameplate in here, and then I did a fun little lace pocket on the inside here. I did some stenciling on the inside, front and back cover, and I have this fun little Tim Holtz Paris themed piece. And then these are some digitals from Shabby Dabby Doodah, her Paris collection. And then I coffee dyed the back of these papers, did a little stamping with the tailor-made journals, the Haute Couture stamp collection. And then I have some of my avocado dyed papers in here, another little stamp of Lorna's, and again some coffee dyeing, and then another Paris themed page in the center. And then I sewed these in with my sewing machine, and then more of the coffee dyeing and the avocado dyeing. So I think it's just a fun little mini journal. With the Olympics coming up, it could be something fun to document, what you do during the Olympics this year. And then I have this eyelet that I put on there and just tie a nice little bow. And it keeps it nice and secure. And then to do some more decorating in your journal, I've included some fun little items. So again, a piece of vintage wallpaper. You can make that into pockets or tags or belly bands. And then I have this little pocket here, or this little decorative bag with some goodies in it. Let me grab these out of here. So we have a fun little wooden spool with some lace and a bulb pin. So you can use the lace, or you can put this on your shelf decorating. Another little piece of lace. And then we have a fun Victorian kind of playing card. So these are great items to use to make little clusters in your mini journal, or decorate up some pockets. And then here are some digitals, and our coffee dyed on the back. And I love these. These again are Shabby Dabby Doodah. These are from her perfume collection. Love these perfume bottles. And then a fun little frame that you can use. And then we have this really pretty lovely lady that you could even, you know, cut out. You could frame the little lady in there and put it on a page in your journal. Lots of different options there. And then another tag you can decorate, and then an Eiffel Tower wax seal. And this was kind of fun, so I just did a clear wax and then accented it with gold. So, and again, this can be taken off of here if you want to use that on something else. But lots of different options, and you can even use this bag in your journal as well to make a fun little see-through or window pocket. And then, of course, everyone in the Bluegrass tier and higher will get my newsletter. So this was all for the Bluegrass tier. I had so much fun making all these items and curating this little kit. And I love that it's, you know, Paris theme. The Olympics are starting. And yeah, so I enjoyed it so much. And I'm excited for my patrons to play around with it. And I plan on doing a few videos over on my Patreon site creating with these elements in the kit. So make sure to head on over there and check out my Patreon site. All right. Thank you all, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye.